Okay, it's three of us. We decided to stay at the kids' camp, and it's a Saturday night. We're not going to a disco, we're not going to a club. We've got our own proviant. We're making salad, and we're just gonna stay at home tonight. Luckily the kids are not bothering us because it's not kids time. We've got water boiling here, pine nut, and yeah, we're just gonna enjoy a Saturday night here, right?
Yeah!
Yeah! Fun. Very much looking forward to this dinner. And it's a legendary night, memorable night already. And we got Mr. Haydn playing because that's the only CD we brought.
For us.